All right, so I'm going to show you how I built the simplest income system and woke up to $400 this morning. So you're going to see this live in action, show you the results that I'm getting, and break down my simple income system for you. Let's go. So here's my income dashboard right here. It's actually a custom income dashboard. I have a bunch of different incomes that come into my business. I have sponsorships. I have a school community. I've got another place. It's an affiliate marketing platform called Impact. I've got all these commissions. Most of the commissions come in through my Gmails. And this system basically goes out and fetches all this stuff for me automatically, and it reports back, right? As you can see right over here, we were kind of low the last like 7 days in our business, but you can see we're tracking about $10,000 per month in this affiliate marketing business where I work just a couple hours a day. You could do this too if you get started. It won't happen overnight. Just make sure that you understand that. Now, the results that I'm sharing with you are obviously not typical or guaranteed. Most people make $0 because they give up before they even see their first dollar online. So you can see right here, we've had 3 days, already at $400 today, and it's only 7:47 in the morning at the time of recording this video. Made over $500 on those 2 days. And then last week before June 13th, I actually had a $1,500 day this month as well. So this is what the dashboard looks like. That's the income right now at 7 in the morning. We've already made $400. And let me show you some of the other proof. I'm going to lead off with proof because I just want you to know that like this is real. You can make money from this. Here is an affiliate dashboard right here that I just started promoting this specific software. And this is where I really like to break this down for you because I show you like a Warrior Plus earnings. I'm going to come over here and show you my Warrior Plus earnings. I've already made $100 today with Warrior Plus. You can see we're over $4,000 over the last 30 days on Warrior Plus. I'm also going to come over here and show you these right here just came in right here at 4:45 a.m., 4:15 a.m. So literally I'm asleep in my bed, 4 in the morning, a full sale right over here, over $100 of a couple of products. One was AI Sales Rocket, Unlimited Sales Rocket right there, $47. And when we come over here, then you have Market Pulse, then you have the Killer Puzzle, front end, a Pro right there. So it was multiple products all in the same time, possibly came from the same customer that led to this income right over here. So it was a combination of making sales on this. Now I want to stop on this and then I'm going to show you the actual process. So make sure to stick around because I'm going to show you the process, how you could get started basically for free as well. That's what's so cool about this business is that it's basically free to get started. And if anything, I mean, you need a microphone, $50 or less, and you can get started with this business. Most businesses cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to actually start. And in this case, you can start for like $50 or less, okay? So you can see over here, here's the traffic that I'm sending right over here, the signups right here, and then the sales, 15 sales. Now this is gonna be broken down. It's $500 in USD and then about $500 right here. So we're bringing in the company about, $4,000 or $5,000. And I just started promoting this 2 or 3 days ago, and we've already made $1,000 from it. Now this is a single direct affiliate partnership, right? So this means that this software up here, it's called Pogo Video. This software I did a review on. I had got access to it. I did a review. I was actually very intrigued and blown away by the software and what it's able to do. And so then I was able to make unique, helpful content to my audience on another channel where I do software reviews. And then we've made sales, right? We've made 15 sales. And a lot of these sales I'm making, over $100 for a commission on a sale. And so I showed this to just show you that you don't have to do the make money online thing. You don't have to do Warrior Plus, JVZoo, things like that, where I make money with that as well. You can go and find software, partner with them, get access to the software, in this case, negotiate your commission rates. Everybody starts off with like a 10% rate. If they partner with this company, they're very kind of exclusive and very picky on who they actually let in as an affiliate, but that's usually not the case with these softwares. You can come over here and I'm going to show you how to get products to promote, but this just shows you that you can literally go out and make thousands of dollars selling one company's software. You don't have to go and do the make money online thing. Okay. So very, very, very important. Okay. So how did we actually do this? Well, let me pull this up. I've got a chart over here. And so we're going to start over here on step 1. So you're going to need a product to sell. Okay. So step 1, you got to have a product, right? And so you can have your own course, you can have your own software, but chances are if you're a beginner and you're just starting out, you probably don't have one of those things, right? You probably don't have a software, which is going to cost thousands of dollars, or you're going to have to learn vibe coding, and you're going to have to be a little bit of a techie person. Even if you're vibe coding, you're still going to have to be somewhat comfortable with launching a software and coding it yourself, making sure that Stripe payments are set up, making sure that your software is not going to break before you go out there and actually sell it. And so that's why we start off with affiliate marketing. And that's why I've made over $700,000 with affiliate marketing with free traffic on YouTube. Okay. So that's why I teach that stuff. And so what we have here is that you need a product to sell. And I'll go and show you that in just a minute. And then after you find a product to sell, you're going to need traffic to that to attract an audience, to go out there and tell the world about this product and start sending traffic. Like that's the way it is. Like you can become an affiliate and get an affiliate link over here, or you can find a product that's great and all, but that's where, this is basically where most people struggle, or they stop. They got affiliate status. Now sometimes, and I'll have videos on this, on a lot of people struggle to even get approved as an affiliate. And I have my ways and secrets on how to get that fixed as well. I will make an individual video. So make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll make an individual video. Make a comment below and tell me if you need help getting approved as an affiliate. Type that in the comments below, and I will be glad to make an entire dedicated video on my secrets on how you actually can become an affiliate to most products, and especially on Wire Plus and JV, how you can become an affiliate 99% of the time. There's a way to skip the line and actually get access, which is really, really cool, and get access to the product as well. Okay. And so, but then people, let's just say you get your product, right? Then people give up on the needing a product or traffic, right? So it's like, okay, I need traffic. How do I get traffic? Well, that's where it stops. The buck stops there because they don't have traffic. So they have their affiliate link, but then they make no sales because guess what? They're not getting any clicks on their affiliate link, because you have to have traffic in order to make this work, right? So you can't do any of this. You can't be an affiliate marketer and make hundreds of thousands of dollars, or even $10 for that matter, if you don't have a product to promote and get affiliate status, and if you don't have traffic. Those two things are a must. You have to have those two things in order to start making money as an affiliate, right? And then I like to supercharge my traffic with an email list. Now, this is kind of something that naturally happens after you become an affiliate. You'll start capturing your customers' emails, and there's different ways. I actually teach this in my school community on how to build your list while making sales as an affiliate. It's a really, really cool business model, because you get to go out there and you get to basically go and find a product, then you make a video, then you post the video. And then eventually when people start buying from your video, you actually get to capture their email, and then you have a buyer's email list. And so every time you go out and make a video, you just go out and email that list, and then they go out and they actually watch your video. Okay. So I'm going to go show you right now, like how you could go out and find some products real quick. Okay. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways, right? So there's one way is if you want to do the make money online niche and you want to, go on Wire Plus, if you want to go on JV Zoo, you can come over here to this site called Munch Eye. Now there's a couple other sites too as well, but this one's been around the longest. I think this is the one that most people use still today. So you can come over here. Now these are big launches over here, worth looking at. And then you have your all launches list right over here. And what's really cool is as I start looking through here, some stand out, but I'm like, oh, I don't really like that vendor. I've promoted their products and either they didn't convert, or I've checked out their products and they didn't like meet my quality standards. I do recommend promoting good products, and you'll start getting a short list of vendors that like, and trust. They have good ratings. They've sold, thousands, tens of thousands of products or sales on these platforms, and they are maintaining high ratings. So it just literally that passes the sniff test, right? If you go in and you promote someone's product and they have like a 1 or 2 star rating and thousands of sales, you probably would make sales, but guess what? You're not going to build the best credible business of people eventually will be like, that's crap. David promoted this product from this vendor and the vendor treated me bad. The customer support was terrible. I'm not going to I don't really want to go based off of David's recommendations anymore, right? So you could lose that credibility of your audience, right? So when you come through here, you'll start looking at stuff and right off the bat, no one stands out until okay, Dave Espino right here, I would promote his stuff. That's good. And then we could come down here and you can see there isn't really anyone right now that stands out other than that. So on this whole list, with my experience, I can look at this list really quick without even having a spreadsheet or a short list, and I just kind of know. Now, not to say that there's some people in here that maybe they're out of my niche. A lot of times it's also PLR. I don't really go after and sell PLR. Sometimes I'll look at something and I don't know who it is, but it does look interesting to me because it says tube search. That's YouTube related. I might go and take a look at that as well. But then a lot of times you'll go with big launches as well. And you can see right over here that like Ike Pause is going to be launching here in about 15 days or so. And that one stands out to me as well. So I'm definitely going to want to get on that one. Okay. So this is how you would do like make money online niche and stuff like that. But if you don't want to do that and you want to come back over here, like I said, and make money like this with direct like AI software, video creation software, productivity software, any kind of niche. Now I do recommend if you're a new affiliate, it is easier to get into doing reviews of the products because you're always going to have content to create, whether it's a review or a tutorial on that product that you have. And then also you're going to, there's new products hitting the market every single day. So you're going to have unlimited content, and it's just a very simple business. Okay. So you're going to come over here. There's another place you can go to, Product Hunt. Now you can come over here and I can show you the traffic coming to Product Hunt per month is almost at 5 million people. So that means that the people come here, they go to this, like you're letting this website, they're ranking in Google. They've got a bunch of people sending traffic over here. The traffic is already built in. So you come in here, you kind of know everything that's kind of going on. And even the big softwares like Gemini, Spark, they literally are on here. Google and Gemini, they're on here. You have Claude when they launch, they're on the announcement list over here and stuff as well. And so when you come through and you look at these, like all you have to do is go to top products launching today. Like it already tells you based on these signals over here, based on comments and based on upvotes, you already know what's popular today. And so this is on their home page. So when people come here, they're going to go like this. They're going to go, okay, what's Atlas? Okay. Sleek and Analytics. Okay. That one's got 119. So then what you can do is you can go and open this up, and then let me show you how this works. So Sleek Analytics, right? So you'd go over there and you could even go to visit, and that's what I would do to see exactly what this is called. So Get Sleek, okay, sleek.io is what this is called. So you can either go, and then what you would do is you go over to YouTube and you can see, I'm going to go with sleek.io. So I'll go right here and I'll go sleek.io review, and we'll see if someone's done a sleek.io review. So that's Sleek Flow. That's probably not it, right? So is there an S in there? Yeah, like this is literally their symbol. It's like a 3/4 circle. So that's not that one, right? Then you come over here, there's Sleek Flow, but there's no Sleek. And then someone with Sleek review. Sleek is a little too, now this could be it, but is a little too generic, right? You need to be a little bit more specific on some of these softwares, right? And so what we would do is just come through here. And there's one of my channels right over there, believe it or not, ringing for this stuff. And that is actually the point, right? So there isn't really anything right there. So Sleek Analytics. So we'll try Sleek Analytics and try that, right? So Sleek Analytics review. And let's see if there's anyone for Sleek Analytics. Okay, so here's Sleek Analytics demo right there. There's no Sleek Analytics review. So another thing that I like to do is come over here and just look, and I have this Chrome extension installed, and it will tell you how many traffic they're getting. So they're launched, they're at the top. They don't have a lot of traffic, but if you do this on a daily basis, and one of these products is going to hit for you, one of these products is just going to take off like crazy. And if you have the only video, like right now, what I just showed you, there's nobody else that clearly has the market from a YouTube review standpoint. So what ends up happening is, and look at all these different things that they've launched over here, right? So no one really has the market. People are going over here and there's no information for them. There's no review videos from a channel, from a legit reviewer. And that is where the money's at, right? Let's see if they have an affiliate program. They may not. And so then I would just go and here's the thing too. Just because they don't have an affiliate program yet doesn't mean that they won't, and I can tell a little story about that. This still doesn't mean that you shouldn't do the review. Try to get access, to get the 3-day trial, go get your review video up, because people will come and they'll appreciate your review. They'll like and subscribe to your channel. And then the next time you come out with a review video, they're more likely to see that review video, and the chances are you will be an affiliate for that product. And you can, so even doing a review on a product like this that appear to have an affiliate program yet, it is still worth doing, right? it's still worth doing it because you're prepping for the future. You're building your brand, you're building traffic into your business, you're getting subscribers. And then that next video, when you finally have that partnership, that affiliate status, and you come out with that review, you're going to have more eyeballs on your review video. So hopefully that makes sense. Plan for the future, right? So that's kind of how you do that. I was just going to share that story. Well, one of these was called Gamma app, right? And I was the first like major reviewer, and I ranked #1. I got like thousands of views on my video. So I'm probably not ranked anymore. Gamma app review, but I was up there for a really long time. So here I am, and you can see it's one of the most viewed videos I ever had on my channel, for 38,000 views. And this turned into a couple $1,000s. Now, I had already had like maybe 15,000 views on my video before I even became an affiliate. And then I got affiliate status, and I've made a few $1,000s with for having that video right here in affiliate commissions, let alone I've also made hundreds of dollars from Google AdSense for making a video that took me less than an hour, right? So made thousands of dollars from this video right here, and it took off, right? So this guy made the video, Gamma AI review, and he's gotten 2.8 thousand views 4 months ago. So it's died off a little bit as far as like that, like somehow this just completely dominated, and there was a massive amount of traffic a couple years ago. See, this was 2 years ago. I got a lot of traffic, and I did that exact thing. I found the product over here on Product Hunt, made the review before anybody else did, and then I got almost 40,000 views and made thousands of dollars from it. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, so you find your product. Hopefully that makes sense on how to find your product, okay? Then you need traffic. That's where YouTube comes in, and my school community below, that is where I teach you how to build your videos, the simple way, the whole business model, okay? And then supercharge your traffic, okay? And this just doesn't get any simpler than this, okay? So we're going to find the good product, like I said, and there's a way to supercharge this once you really get into this. If you create a bonus, and this is more or less specific for Warrior Plus JVZoo type launches, if that's what you're going to get into, you want to create a bonus. And I have all kinds of custom GPTs in my school community that basically do this for you. You just plug in the sales page, boom, and it tells you exactly what the easiest bonuses to create would, and then like medium and hard to create these bonuses. And you go over your bonuses in your review video. So you have your bonuses, then you create, you want to have these two things first, then you create your review video, right? And you don't have to be on camera or anything like that. You just record your screen, show the software, show your bonus, and then boom, that's it. The traffic comes. And then guess what? You build that email list up. So you email your list, only send them to your video. That's what I really recommend. That's what nobody else teaches, is that I actually recommend just emailing your list and saying, hey, I got a new video for you. Go check it out. It's way less salesy than just sending people to the traffic. They're not going to see your bonus. They're not going to have any attachment to like, this is really cool, and I really like David's bonus. Cool, I'm going to buy this. You want to get eyeballs on your video. Video is far more powerful. And when people watch your video, that's when they'll learn that, okay, yeah, I'm ready to buy this product, right? So the video marketing is just extremely powerful. So remember, like and subscribe, leave a comment below what you need help with affiliate marketing. And if you want me to make a video on how to get approved for affiliate status on these products, then I'd be happy to do that. Leave a comment below as well. I'll see you in the next video. Tired of the 9 to 5? Earn affiliate commissions on YouTube while you sleep. Proven and evergreen. Click the first link in the description and join for just $27 a month.